Today I will talk about the next type of operator, which is increment operator and decrement operator. Increment operator simply mean which the operator the increment the value. Mean increment mean increase the value, and decrement mean decrease the value. If I have a value of a is equal to 5 and I use increment operator, then its value will be 6. And if I use the decrement operator, then its value decrease. Like if I have a is equal to 5 and I use the increment operator, what will happen? It will increase the value by 1. This will become 6. And what is decrement? And like if I have a value of a is equal to 5 and if now I use decrement operator used by a in the variable and then minus minus 2 times, then the value will be 4. Mean it decrease the value by 1. What it simply mean? And this is equal to 5 plus 1. Plus mean is equal to plus 1. If I use plus, then it will be mean that the variable plus 1. And what is mean by minus? Simply mean the value minus 1. This is the simply increment and decrement operator. Like if I see in coding, like if I have int a is equal to 5, and now if I print, and then the value of a will be 5. But what if I use increment operator? Now its value increased by 1, and like you can see 5 plus 1 6. This is simply like this a is equal to like a plus 1. This is simply mean. What will if I use a decrement operator? Like if I erase this, and now if I use a decrement operator, what will be the result? 4. Why? Because this means simply a is equal to a minus 1. This decrement operator mean value is minus by 1. This is as simply as I write a is equal to a minus 1. The result will be same. Increment simply mean plus by 1, and decrement means minus by 1. Now there are two type of increment operator and decrement operator, like pre-increment and post-increment. Pre-increment mean simply the value of incrementing will be on the same line, and post simply mean the value increment or decrement on the next line. Like if I have a is equal to 5, like I am in the pre and post. This is same for the increment and decrement. Only see the concept of pre and post. Like if I have a is equal to 5 and I use pre-increment. Pre-increment mean first you use the sign plus sign or a minus sign and then write the variable. This will be happen on the same line. Now mean this the value of a will be 6 on the same line. But what if post? If I use a plus plus. Now see on this line, the value will be 5. This line value will never change. But on the next line, well, when we come to the next line, the value will be 6. Value will be increased automatically. Like see the difference between pre and post. Pre is changing on the same line, but and the post, the changing is happening on when the control went to the next line. Let's see in the programming, like if I like I am using the pre increment, post increment. So you can see on this line a is equal to 5. But if I went to the next line, when the control is went to the next line, the value will be increased. This is same as a decrement. The value is same, but when the control went to the next line, the value will be changed. Like if I use the pray increment, you can see the result will be changed on the same line. Now the value on this line or the A is 6. The value is changing on this line. You can see the result 6. And this is also same as a decrement. 4. So simply increment mean increase by 1 and decrement mean decrease by 1. And pre mean the change will be happen on the same line when you use the this increment or decrement operator. And the post is simply the result of the operator will be on the next line. If you use a pre increment, this increment or a decrement will be on the same line, and if you use the post increment or a decrement, the result will be happen on the next line. So this was about the increment and decrement operator, also pre and post increment and decrement operator. So this was about that. We will meet in the next video.